Hi! So recently I cut my hair. I had very long hair and then I just decided I want to change for the summer, so now I have short hair. And obviously, as I have short hair now, I had to make adjustments in my hair care routine and the way I style my hair. So this is my absolutely go-to waves. They're super easy and I like how they just kind of very natural soft wave rather than curl, and it also has a bit of kind of straighter ends and it has very cool texture. And I have been doing this a lot lately and I just thought I will share with you how I'm doing this wave for me. So just stay with me if you're interested and let's go. So to do our waves we need a straightener, clips and finishing cream. It takes me 10 to 15 minutes if I do it really properly, about 5 minutes if I want to do it super quick in the morning. And I will just start with the back bits and I will take around that big section and just clip the hair away. With this back bits I'm really not fussy about. I just do it super fast and I do them just as they get. I really don't care that much about them. We're not gonna see them anyway, and all they do, they just kind of support the hair and give a little bit more volume. I am taking a small section, putting inside vertically my straightener and just kind of quickly going through. And this section doesn't look pretty at all. It looks like just what we don't want to get. You know, but really it doesn't matter. If I feel it's a bit too straight, I will just go through with it again. And then I just part my hair in 2 even sections. I clip one of them away and I will just grab a small part of this second section. I put straightener in and just kind of quickly go through it. Just like that. I just continue. So I'm not kind of curling it completely, but I'm just pulling it out. And when I'm doing it, I'm just twisting the straightener. So in that way we will just get that bend rather than have it too curly. And then the ends, again, I'm just flattening them a tiny bit, but also I am not fussy to get this perfect. If I have one slightly more, one slightly less, I'm super happy with that, because we don't want perfect curls. If we're gonna get perfect curls in each section, it's just gonna look a bit outdated. It's not gonna look that kind of fresh, modern wave that is just slightly there. So I'm just splitting this into half again, and I'm working in kind of a small sections, because again, if we are gonna do very big ones, they are just not gonna look that fresh and now. So I just continue exactly the same. I take the section and I kind of pull it out with twisting once, and I just continue. So you see how I'm twisting and pulling out, and I'm continuing with the top section. I'm just doing exactly the same again, just pulling it out. And this as well, I feel like on the second day it looks super good, because it just has that slight bend to the hair, but we don't really need to do it again and again. So again, this is what we have, and now I'm just taking all of this section, and with the ends I'm just really pulling them out, just straightening them, so we get that kind of more broken wave at the bottom. And I'm just leaving them now to set in a tiny bit. because we still want to have something. We don't want to destroy them completely. But I will finish with the other part. I am doing exactly the same thing. We are just dividing this. Obviously we will have a few more sections because my parting is slightly offset, and if you have middle part you can do that as well. And then again, I'm doing the same. I'm taking the straightener and just kind of pulling the ends out completely. And now I'm just giving my hair a few minutes to cool down, and then I will shake them out and open them up. And yeah, as I said, this is a great way to do your hair, and on the second day it looks even better. Even if it falls out, it still looks really good. So just first I open up with my fingers, I really mess it up a tiny bit, and then I just see how I want. Do I want a lot of volume, or do I want them kind of a bit more down? If you want, you can use a bit of hair dry shampoo for texture. I will just use Wave finishing cream. I'm taking just a tiny bit in my hands, rubbing them between my palms, and then just kind of rubbing into the hair. So I get a bit more separation and the hair opens up a little bit more. Like any cream, any kind of pasty cream that is not very oily or gel-like is gonna give very nice texture to the hair. So yeah, so that's the finished result. So it just kind of gives nice texture to the hair, and as it drops down it looks kind of cooler and cooler and it really doesn't take a lot of time, so you just need to have patience for first few times, and then you just know how to do it, and it's super fast. And also this is a very good hairstyle to complement with this season's top accessories, which are all kind of different pins and grips, and we can just add something to have a bit more fun. So we can do something like that. We can also have like all the pearly grapes. They look super cool as well. And yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you liked it. I hope it was useful. Leave me comments down below and let me know, did it help? Put the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you really, really soon in the next video. Thank you, bye.